Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and on this video I'm in Manchester for a Sunday night Super Saver hotel, and I'm not far from the Palace Theatre and Oxford Road and Piccadilly railway station, right in the heart of the gay village in Manchester. We're at the back of this apartment hotel, and this is on the corner of Whitworth Street and Princess Street in the city centre. Now, I've passed this place hundreds of times over the years and I've never been in, and it's my first time staying here, and I've decided to do it on a Sunday night where you can get a really cheap room, and this room at WHITWORTH Locke tonight has cost me £37. This building, which runs alongside the Rochdale Canal, has been around since 1855, and it started life as a cotton warehouse. Each of the rooms are fully fitted with a kitchen, and we'll have a look in one of the rooms in just a moment. As you go in, there is a self-service check-in, which I didn't particularly like. There are 160 rooms and suites here. Design-led, it is said. I don't even know what that means. And some of the original features of when this was a cotton stock room are still here in this place as we walk around this little coffee shop area. There's a coffee shop, a restaurant, and of course that bar which we saw when we came in. And it is really nice, especially if you like the colour green. They have co-working spaces here and also a couple of meeting rooms. In fact, here's one of them. Let's just have a sneaky look inside. This hotel has a gym, and there are different room types throughout the hotel, and most of the rooms are in different sections, and every section has an entrance from the main glassed area. And if you fancy some games, there's a pile of games that can be played, and a bar to have a drink, and these are the little areas. Now, I was in D section at first, but as I went through to D section, I did notice that the lift wasn't working, and the staff were fantastic in moving me to a different room in a different area of the hotel. And before we do go into the room and see where I was staying, this hotel is right near to the Manchester Gay Village and very close to the city centre and theatres and bars and restaurants, and a very vibrant and busy area in the centre of Manchester. Now back into the hotel and back to my room, and I'm on the 3rd floor and I'm in J321. Which, for those old farts like me, we'll call it the Ted Rogers suite. Let's have a look. So we've got a nice comfy bed, TV, table chairs, somewhere to put your clothes, lights, plug sockets, and what we got around here, a fully fitted kitchen, some windows, you can see there's a Tesco's across the road, and a fully fitted kitchen. And that bed is actually a lot bigger than it does look on this picture. In fact, you could have got 3 or 4 people in the bed, but I'm not that lucky. Next to the bed there is a dimmer switch, and underneath the shelf there are some plug sockets as well, including a USB port, and if the room's a little bit warm for you, there is a fan next to a heater and somewhere there to hang your shirts. There is a hairdryer in the drawer plus an iron, and there is an ironing board as well. There's the hairdryer and the iron, and plenty of space to put your things. There's the ironing board, and I've been and put all the lights on now, so let's have a look at the kitchen. We'll show you the bathroom in a moment, and a nice view there. And here is the kitchen. There is a kettle, a cooker, a sink, and a fridge with a freezer compartment and some milk, and there's also a cooker there as well. And a washer and a dryer in that cupboard, which is useful, especially if you're doing some travelling and you need to get some clean clothes. It's always useful to stay at somewhere like this. And these drawers there with knife and forks and things, and there's a bin as well. It's a little bit dark because it is night time in the kitchen. There's a cooker down there as well. And they've left a little bit of tea and coffee there. And in the cupboards up there, there are some pans, and some cups and plates, and various things that you might need. There's also a toaster in there as well. So a nice basic kitchen. Let's have a look then into the bathroom. I love the blue colour, really nice, and the toilet in the corner, and a nice rain shower, and towels, and a nice sink as well with a mirror. And back into the room, nice gold bowl. I'll stick that in my bag before I leave. And a TV there as well, which is a smart TV. In fact, I'm lying on my bed now watching the TV. So it's the next morning, I've slept wonderfully, and here's the breakfast menu. If you want a breakfast, it says it's £14 if you order the night before per person, and it includes all of these things, which I think is quite reasonable in terms of value for money. And some of the house rules here, which I should have read last night really. It might have stopped me from swinging on the chandelier. It is fairly free and easy though. And I did have a good night's sleep. The only thing I will say, it was a little bit noisy. I am on the front and the windows were open because it's quite hot at the moment. Look at those original window frames. And the shower was good. It was one of those rainwater showers with a separate attachment head, and it was very powerful. And I just wanted to show you this. Look at this. This has probably been here since it was a cotton warehouse. Some lovely original features, and the wall there as well. And we'll leave you with a few more images from the hotel, from the WHITWORTH Locke Apartment Hotel in Manchester city centre. Had a great stay, £37, what a bargain. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, we'll see you soon.